Okay, these are the scallops, seasoned, right there.
It's hot already?
Yeah, it's hot. Put in the oil and then set it where you want it. There you go. Okay. Those are cowboys that cook meat, but we're cooking scallops. Our cowboy ancestors moved all the way over to Chicago. And out the side around here, it's no flame in there, so you could, if it's too warm, you can put it on the outside. And it's olive oil and seasoning on the scallops, and they're just gonna get pan-seared.
All the little salt and pepper is going into
All right, I'm gonna need you cooking on this Discada too, Rodrigo. Rigo, Eagle. You be okay over there? Oh man, those are looking amazing now. You see, it's completely dark outside. Stadium lights, stadium lights. Come here so you can see me and I cook. See us cooking these scallops this way, look it. You can come closer. Get your fingers out your mouth.
I think this is the best sear I've ever gotten on a scallop.
I think he said it's 5/16 or 5 something stainless steel that he made that out of. Awesome, he did an awesome job, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is this plate for the scallops?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, you know.
Do I have to edit the chingao?
So,
Is that hotter? Do you need hotter or good enough?
No, it's fine.
See the oil's over here. You need me to move some back? No, it's good.
Yeah, it's fine.
And that's the scallops on a Discada. So all the oil's pooling over here, so if you need the oil, you could either dip them in and pull it back, or you can move your Discada over a little bit. Some Discadas have the hump in the middle and some have it underneath. This is the flat one across and it comes over to the side, and you cook with what you need and you can grab it and move it back over here. So that's the Discada. We're gonna be doing more cooking with the Discada coming up. I'm thinking about trying to make a pecadillo on the Discada. Campfire scallops. How about that, Stephanie? Campfire scallops.